Hi everyone, this is the third video on the reactjs. So in a previous video we have created one project. The project name is a demo, so we are using the same project to going further. So in today's video I'm going to explain the folders and files what we get after creating the reactjs project. Okay, so let's get started. So first we can see there is a node modules. So whatever dependency reactjs needed to start the project, so that we can find under the package.json. See, so here are the dependencies and this dependency related packages, and we can see the libraries. Everything is mentioned into the node module. I hope you will get what is a package.json. So in package.json you will get all your dependencies. So later on if you install anything, so that dependency you will find under this object. Okay, moving further, there is a public folder and src, which is source folder. Okay, so let's look at the public folder in which index.html. In the index.html we can add external links or the CDN links into the header, and next we have a body. So in a body we have a div with the id root, so we will cover this in a later, but let's look at the other files. We have a one logo, second logo as well, the manifestation we do not need to understand this one. Okay, so this is about the public folder. So in public folder we just need to focus on the index.html file. That's it. Now move on to the src folder. Let's start from the C. So the entry point of the reactjs application is an index.js file. So if you click on the index.js file, you will find the two libraries. These two libraries must needed. First is a React and the React DOM client. See, the React DOM is nothing but a virtual DOM. In my first video I have covered that React using the virtual DOM. It is not using the real DOM in the sense the browser DOM. Okay, now first line is says the react DOM dot create root, and inside of it says the document get element by id by root. So where this root is defined, so we saw the index.html file. In the index.html file there is a div, the id root, and that div's reference is getting into the index.js, which is the entry point of the reactjs application. So once this is taken by the element by id, it will assign the root, and under the root render we wrote our whole components, or I can say that we going to render our all the components, or in a simple word, in the render we going to render our whole reactjs application. That's it. So using the react strict mode is basically used for to detect the error. Now coming to the app. So app, if you control and click, you will redirect to here, that app.js file. So under the app.js file you will find it is not just an HTML, it is JSX. So if we can see that under the app the code is written, and this code is nothing but called a JSX. In my first video I have covered that whatever we going to write into the reactjs application, that is in form of the JSX. So JSX is nothing but a JavaScript XML. Okay, so in simple word, in return statement we can write both HTML and JavaScript together. That's how. There is app CSS file, which is a supportive CSS file. This test file we didn't need it. If you want to write test cases you can use it. Index CSS, again it is imported for the index.js file, and that's it. There is a logo SVG. This is a web vital and setup test. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for